All right, on your marks. Get set and go. Oh, you beat me. Do we agree? No. Uh-oh. I'm not guaranteeing I got it right. Oh no, I made a mistake. Oh, okay. All kinds of wrong. Got a couple people done. That's with me. 7 times 8 is not 63, is it? Times 8 is 56. All right. That's 4 people that beat me. 5 people that beat me. 6 people that beat me. Half the class be nice. Now the question is, did any of us get it right? Okay. Yeah, I made a mistake and had to go back and fix it. Now it's all messy and gross. All right, I'll give you a couple more minutes. So we got a couple goals today. I want to review synthetic. So we're going to practice synthetic division in our homework today. So we're going to go back and redo this problem and using synthetic division just to kind of remind ourselves how much easier synthetic division is than polynomial long division. However, remember, synthetic division has its limitations. You can only use synthetic division when you're dividing by a linear factor, something like x plus 8 or 5x minus 3 or something like that. If you ever find yourself dividing by something that has an x squared or an x to the third or anything like that in it, you've got to do long division. It's the only way to go. So it's important that you know how to do this. Again, you will use polynomial long division next year with calculus. We'll use it this year to talk about oblique asymptotes in chapter 2. So that's why we're practicing it now. All right. Are you, those of you finished, are you getting that remainder of -9? Is that working out for you? Okay. So we're going to go back and redo this whole problem with synthetic division instead. I'm going to just do this as our one example to remind you how to do this. But if you need more examples, we're going to have a whole bunch of time for you to work in class today. My goal is for everybody to walk out of here with the homework finished and just take a nice little break, right? That'll give you the weekend to just chill and not have to worry about pre-calc. I will also post the first homework assignment that we'll be doing on Monday. And if you want to take the opportunity to get started on it, it's all quadratics, and you spent like months on quadratics last year, so some of you might even be able to get a chunk of that done over the weekend if you feel like it, or take time off. It's up to you. So, all right, well, let's do this. You guys remember how this whole thing works with synthetic division? Question? Yeah. No, it just kind of worked out this way. Plus, it's homecoming weekend. I know a lot of you are involved with stuff for that, and I don't know. It just seems like a good time. This is a tough class. A very high level of expectation. Those of you who've been doing the homework and taking it serious know, like I know that you guys have been spending the time that you've been telling me. Hour to 2 hours per assignment. That's every other night. That test was no joke, right? Hopefully there was nothing surprising on it. Question? So yeah, I was hoping to have them done today. I was out sick yesterday. And so I gave myself the day to just like rest and be healthy. My absolute goal is I don't want to take home on the weekend. So before I leave here tomorrow, they're going to be done. I'm going to try for today, but we'll just see how it goes. I gave tests in all my geometry sections the same days as my pre-calc sections. I'm gonna try and do a better job of spreading things out in the future. I'll tell you that my other section of pre-calc, I've got those graded there in the grade book. They were great, like so much better than last year. Like, I think 3/4 of the class got A's and B's on it. Nobody failed. So, which is fantastic. All right, let's do this though. So I'm gonna go ahead and start a new recording because that all doesn't need to be on the internet, right?